The 1958 Impala convertible lives. They said it couldn't be done. Some even left comments saying, just paint it white since it's so far gone. But guess what? We ain't built like that. More than a year and a half of sheet metal resurrection and thousands of hours later, this Impala is back from the dead. If you've been following this build from the beginning, you'll know that after media blasting, we found out that this 1958 Impala convertible was nothing but a pile of botched repair work and years of shoddy collision repair. And not only that, it had already been through one rushed and half-ass restoration. From the half-inch thick undercoating that they used to hide their shoddy repair work, to tons of rust that they left behind, to shoddy collision repair work over the years since 1958. This thing was an absolute mission to get to this point. But I'm happy to report that now this 58 has more fresh sheet metal than half a Chinese compact car. Every piece of sheet metal, whether aftermarket or made by hand, was meticulously massaged, shaped, fitted, and welded into place. And this wasn't a patch job, this was a resurrection. We spent too many nights banging our head against the wall, thinking, why do we do this to ourselves? But seeing it done now brings a new level of excitement, a new level of accomplishment, and motivation to finish this 1958 Impala convertible lowrider. And if you're wondering how long it took, well, let's just say I could have learned a new language, trained for a marathon, or become a licensed therapist. Instead, we chose to save this 1958 Impala convertible from the grave. Priorities, priorities. Now that the sheet metal is done, the real fun begins. Bodywork, paint, drivetrain, interior, assembly. This 58 is about to get the VIP treatment. If you've ever wondered if an old school lowrider in this bad a shape can be brought back from the dead, stay tuned. Let this be proof that with a lot of patience, a lot of welding, and probably a slight addiction to pain and suffering, it can be done. So if you've been waiting for this build to make a comeback, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, drop a comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell because it's about to get real serious around here. And if you want to know what it takes to build your first lowrider, watch this video right here.